ladies, it's Cindy from mystylespot.net. Today we're here to talk about all things jewelry. So I'm going to cover a few things for you today. The first thing we're going to talk about is jewelry tips for women who are aging. So yeah, if you're about 35, 40, you're probably going to want to change up your style a little bit, and I'm going to give you some great tips to do that. The second thing we're going to talk about is a ring sizing guide. If you're trying to buy a ring online but you have no idea what your size is, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's really simple. Last but not least, I'm going to unbox a beautiful piece of jewelry I got sent from Blush & Bar. So let's get started. The first thing is 5 jewelry tips for women over the age of 35. My first tip is skip the heavy earrings. Loss of collagen causes large earrings to just weigh down your face. You're going to look older if you're just wearing too much gaudy jewelry. So stick to dainty styles or studs, just simple styles that are just going to complement your face without overtaking it. Number 2, go for gold instead of silver. Jewelers use fire to purify gold, and that's no mistake. It has a warming effect on skin tone, and the actual yellow and rose gold is going to give the skin a really pretty extra glow. So it's great if you happen to be getting a little bit older. Go for the gold. Number 3, opt for daintier rings. Skip the large gaudy cocktail rings. Again, it's going to draw attention to damaged skin, so you're going to want to stick to daintier styles that will make great everyday wear as well. Tip number 4, less is more. Wear pretty understated items that flatter your beauty and style. I don't remember who said it, but go back and take a few pieces off, because usually we're wearing way too much, so just remember that, less is more. Last but not least, tip number 5, pair costlier pieces with fun pieces. You're at a great age where you can mix styles and no one's gonna know. Even if you have the fake gemstones, people are probably gonna assume it's real. So that's really cool, and that's the great part about aging. So go ahead and mix your high end and your middle end, and you're gonna get your best friend. It's gonna be a great style. This also makes it easier to play with fresh new styles and come up with your unique look. All right, and we're on to number 2, the ring sizing guide. Again, if you're shopping online and you have no idea what size your finger is, this is a great way to do it. And you can do it 2 different ways. The first way is you can take a ring that already fits one of your fingers perfectly, and you're going to take a piece of ribbon, measure around it, and then you're going to also just mark at the ends. The second way is you can use your own finger, and you're going to take a piece of ribbon and put it around your finger like so. And you're going to want to do it close to the knuckle. That's really where you're going to get your true size. So you're just going to take it and measure it like so. And then you're going to mark with your pen right where it meets, where the 2 meet. So I'll mark right there. And then there's my ring size right there. So what I'm going to do is then take a ruler and measure out the exact size. So look for a ruler that has millimeters you can measure this up against. Once you have your measurement, you can Google size chart for rings, and you can find the exact measurement. So print that out, put your ribbon up to it, and it will tell you exactly what your ring size is. So super easy. Again, you can do it with your finger or also with just a ring that you already have. All right, and last but not least, I have an unboxing I'm gonna do from Blush & Bar. So I was sent this beauty. I'm so excited to open it up. So let's see what's inside. All right. Ooh, pretty is a beautiful dainty ring, perfect for the aging lady. Let's take a quicker look at it. All right, so it's really pretty gold. And as you can see there, it's got really pretty CZ stones in it. So it's just a really pretty unique pattern I've not seen before. Absolutely love it. And it fits nicely on my hand thanks to the ring sizing guide, so I love that. Very, very pretty. Costume jewelry is too cheap and it tends to break, so I'm loving fine jewelry these days. It just, besides the age thing, it just looks better, looks more real, and very elegant, very beautiful. And the Blush & Bar, they do handcrafted jewelry, so this is a handcrafted dainty ring, which I love. Dainty rings are fabulous. As you start to age, you know, the skin on the hand starts to sag and show sunspots. Cocktail rings, big costume jewelry, they can draw attention to the hand in a negative way. So again, like I said with my 5 tips, dainty rings are the way to go. So this is really pretty from Blush & Bar. I love it. Thank you, Blush & Bar. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.